Hi guys, I am making this video because I just got this new gadget called a solar oven, and I had been researching them and I didn't know what to expect. I thought it sounded cool because, about a year ago a tornado hit my town and we didn't have power for a week, and I was just like, it'd be nice to have a way to heat food without having to worry about having fuel and or electricity, because you can always cook over the fire, but sometimes you don't, if you forget to buy charcoal or whatever, uh, you know, you don't want to be up a creek without a paddle. So I don't know, I was just kind of like looking and I didn't know what to expect. But man, I'm super impressed with this. So I just want to show you, again, the one I bought, because I researched it, this one is called a Haines 2.0, and I found it on Amazon. It's just about $100, and it comes with this pot and the cover and the thing that you rest the pot on. I don't know what that's called, but anyways, to kind of lift it up from touching the bottom. Anyways, it's called a Haines 2.1. This is the ingredients that I put in. I made sure that everything was room temperature because I didn't know if it would work if everything was still frozen. But maybe next time I might put it in frozen because it's cooking super fast, way faster than I expected. But you can see my ingredients. I have chicken and broccoli and carrots and rice and water. You can see that in the bottom. I put this in at 11 o'clock and this is what it looked like, okay? Now, I'm coming back about an hour and a half later and check it out. It's just about done. Like the chicken's still a little pink. I'm gonna let it maybe brown a little bit, but I mean, you can see the rice is getting brown around the edges. So I might need to take it out soon. I don't know. But this is crazy. I measured the temperature. I actually left the house. Okay, let me start over. I put this in at 11 o'clock, and then I left the house at 11:30 and came back at a quarter after 12. And the temperature just around the outside of the pot, I measured it, was just over 160, and the water was boiling. I mean, you can see condensation right there, but so it's definitely over 212 in there because if it can boil water, obviously it has to be over that. So I don't know. That's just really crazy. I was thinking that I would put it in at 11 o'clock and it would be done around 5, but it's literally going to be done in probably 15 minutes, if not sooner. So I might actually be able to cook something else in there today. And I just want to make a note, it's sunny, but it was supposed to be partly cloudy today. So, I mean, we ended up getting some good sun. It's supposed to end up raining later. And so I just wanted to try it out because I was like, hey, if there's just a little bit of sun. I have heard that you don't have to have, right now the temperature outside is around in the 80s. But this cooker, it doesn't use ambient temperature to cook. What it does is, because of the reflective panels, it condenses the sun's rays, and it's that converts it into heat. I've heard that you can actually cook in these in below 0 temperatures as long as you have sun. So to me, this is going to be a game changer because I thought I would just take it camping maybe, or in a survival situation, but I think I'm actually going to use this in lieu of my oven and stovetop, because this is free energy, and there's no fuel. You don't have to burn firewood. You don't have to inhale smoke. You don't have to make your air conditioner work harder than it is. You don't have to turn your oven on. I mean, this is literally, the sun's going to shine anyway. You might as well put it to work. And I mean, I've even read some places where if you have a clear top like this, you can actually, with the sun shining on it, it adds vitamin D to your food. So, I mean, I'm totally using this. I might actually take that out in a few minutes and cook something else in there today. I can't believe I'm going to be able to cook more than one thing in one day in a solar oven. It's insane. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Go get you one.